One of the things I love about this organization is the fact that they're so committed to improving upon the systems, the processes, and the models of Keller Williams that they've implemented what's called the lab experience, the lab process, which Josh and Gary have really put together an experience to continue to break and rebuild the entire command system. They're not afraid of feedback that they need to hear in order to make the product better. So our team has worked hand in hand with Josh and his team to make it better for all the associates within Keller Williams. One of the things that's working really well now is Snaps, which allows you to grab local information and be able to provide it to your clients as a way of adding additional value to them so that you're becoming the expert in that area. One of the neat things about Command is the simplicity in the system in itself. From somebody who's running more than 20 different teams and locations, one of the key aspects of this is providing up-to-minute information and data on contracts, on pendings, on company dollar, on how many green sheets are being written. So I don't have to go drive back to an office to pull up this information. You can be at your house, you can be on your boat, you can be in your office, you can be in Starbucks, and you're gonna be able to accomplish the results that you need. And when Command allows you to be able to send a smart plan to everybody across a series of locations, it allows you to leverage an organization to be able to grow and to be able to maintain a higher level of customer satisfaction. That's why I'm just really excited about the platform that Keller Williams is building. They're committed to fixing all of the components in real time so that we can go out there and be the most impactful real estate professional with the human interaction and also live the life that we've been dreaming of.